I'm gonna make cream of broccoli, but the main ingredients, of course, is the fresh broccoli. Here are my broccoli. I'm gonna chop it, and then I'm gonna add the cream of mushroom, because this one is very creamy, so it's gonna good for the cream of broccoli or with mushroom. So this one I'm gonna include because this is a lot of nutrients, the steam of broccoli. Just gonna cut it in 10 slices. So I need to slice it, thin slices, the broccoli when you're making a soup. There you go. This one big bowl is gonna be enough with this one big. I'm gonna cut the onions. So this is big. I think half of this is enough. Oh my god, my eyes. Makes me foam my tears. So now I have enough onions. See guys, it's a lot. The half of huge onions is a lot already. So I'm gonna use a 4-quart salad master, the Mizu salad master, the limited edition. So it's clean already. So I'm just gonna put the onions here. And then I'm just gonna add this. So you can add all together all the ingredients. So it's like almost half already on a pot. And then now, because I wanna add some of this asparagus, so I'm gonna cut the asparagus as well. I think I can just put on the, so what I do is tambak-tambak system guys, just put all together, and then I'm gonna cut the mushroom. It's good to have mushroom, and I'm using also a salad master knife. So I'm putting 4 pieces of mushroom. it's done, all the cuttings. And I'm gonna add a black pepper, of course. Black pepper is good. And this one I have to open manually. Look at that. Even the salad master knife is good to be a can opener. I think that would be enough. If you have can opener guys at home, use can opener. I don't have can opener here, so we have can opener but it doesn't work properly, so I don't wanna. So just put all. And put some water. And to make have some more soup on it, I'm gonna add a coconut milk. So I'm gonna put coconut milk on it also. And then put the lid and put in a stove. It's gonna be medium heat. So medium heat. So the number is 5.0, so it means medium heat because the high heat is 10. So always medium heat. When it's boiling, put to low. I'm gonna put it on 3 or 3.5 when it's boiling. So let's wait 8 to 10 minutes. It's gonna be boiling. Finished product of my soup, mushroom and broccoli.
Less? No, that's good for now. Thank you.
He grabbed some spoons.
Oh, that smells so good. Holy crap.
Oh yeah, spoon. Sorry,
Okay.
I forgot the spoon. So I make the soup, cream of broccoli and mushroom.
Thank you.
Yeah, sure.
Okay,
Very good.
let's try the soup
Oh, you
here.
got a spoon. You got a spoon? Everybody got a spoon? Alright, let's see.
Is it good?
It's good.
Bon appetit. Let's eat. It's pretty good though. I add coconut milk on it.
Ah, okay.
Yeah, because the cream of mushroom in can, it's not enough.